Well, good evening, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Thanks for joining me today. I'm so glad you're here, and I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. So today, I am going to work in my Twinchie book, and I haven't done it in a long time. Like, look, that was last Christmas. So I've only done 2 since last Christmas. So I thought I would use my new paper pad that I went through and make my backgrounds with some of those papers. And then I have these little fussy cuts from Nicole at Relax Cut Glue. She has these available on her Ko-fi page, and they are, I think, $1.50 is suggested price. But anyway, I am gonna glue down my background. I'm gonna use, these are my papers, whoops, that I picked. So I'm just gonna kind of go in a pattern of, like a repeating pattern. So let's do that. Alright, and I'm going to definitely be, whoops, this is the one that's got a little bit off. The top is a little bit, the top row is a little tiny bit more than actually 2 inches, so. Okay, so I'm going to be speeding this process up. Let's see, I don't want these two together because they're stripy. They're both stripy. This one fits. Oh no, I got to do it this way. Okay. I think they printed all the books that way because Nicole's Twinchie book is the same way. Okay, let's do a yellow leafy one. Oh, why is there tape on this? I don't remember putting any tape on there. Oh, well, I'll save that one for if I absolutely need it because it ripped a little bit. Now that one fits perfectly. That, I guess I made that one a little bit bigger than normal. Let's put a flower one next. Or no, maybe we'll put this one next. That's weird. They're all going to be off a little except that one. That's kind of annoying. Okay, and then which ones? We haven't used the flower one yet. Okay. And which one did we not use yet? This one. Okay, and then we're going to start over with this. Just keep repeating the pattern. Okay. Oh, now this one's going to be the flower one right there. Oh, well. I guess I should have thought that out a little bit differently. Kind of too close together in my opinion, but oh well. Ooh, what did I do wrong? Did I do something wrong? No. Alright. Next is the stripe. I think I did miss a stripe. Yeah, that's supposed to be a stripe. Oh gosh. Is that what I did wrong? That's why they're all close together. I forgot to put this one here. I guess they'd still be close together though. Okay, now we have another yellow one. There we go. Okay, now we have this one. All right, we're done with that. Now we just got to see which things we want to put on it, which fussy cuts. So I don't feel like I have to only put little ones on here like this. We can put some that kind of go out of the boxes too, like that. So I'm okay with that. This is maybe a little bit too big. Let's see, a leaf. Yeah, I don't want to cover up too much, but it could go like that, but not like in the middle of one square. I think that's too much. All right, so let's put him here. We got some really tiny ones too, like this. Oh, that would look pretty on there. A pumpkin. Let's see, here's a little leaf. And the gnome. I don't love gnomes. How about, we'll put this, oh, I have to cut this out for that, so I'll do that in a minute. A pine cone, or two. Maybe I'll put two there. This squirrel would look good somewhere. Maybe there. There? I don't know, maybe there. I feel like I need something else with this bow. That would look okay too. It pretty much fits. I think I'm going to ink around these though. There's a sweater. Some flowers. I'm having trouble figuring out what to put on these. There's the prettiest ones in my opinion. Oh, a bird. And an acorn. An acorn might look good. Like there. A leaf. I don't want to cover that up. Oh, here's a cute little mushroom. Pumpkin spice. I don't really want to cover up that purple flower, but oh, that might look cute, like a bow on top of the jar. I don't know. Here's a little mug. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put the mug there. Snail, nah. Maybe that could go there. Here's another, well, I don't want two of the same mushroom. What about the fox? The fox could go on there. And now we just need one for here. That's not going to blend in too well. Like that blends in too much. What if I did this? No, the pumpkins are too close together. I know there's more here. Oh, here's a cute little raccoon or a snail. We've got, I think I'll put the raccoon there. He fits better. And oh, we still have something to go here. Don't know if I like that bow there, but maybe like this. A candle. Marshmallow. Oh, wait a minute. There was a cute little snail. I saw a cute snail. Where's that? Like, there's this snail, but there was a cuter one. Let's see. I lost him. Where'd he go? Oh my gosh. He's missing. There's another leaf, but... oh, no, I have to put the snail there. I don't need another snail. What about a leaf? Nah. What about books? Which way are these books supposed to go? Like that? I don't like that either. And I don't really like that bow there. What about... maybe I'll put the books up here, and the pumpkin spice can go there. I think that's good. I think that's what we're going to do. I've also got this, though. What about this? No, I like this better. Okay, I've also got these still, but I think I'm happy with the way it looks. So I'm going to glue all of these down. I'm going to ink around them and glue them all down and come back and show you. Okay, everybody, it's actually the next morning, and it's kind of gloomy out. I don't know how dark it's appearing in camera, but as you can see, I finished the spread. I put some words on there. I don't know if you can read them because they're small. This one says, never give up, have hope, use your wings, own your dreams, have an open heart, enjoy today, follow your heart, believe in yourself, stay simple, choose to shine, and practice kindness. So I thought those were good little quotes. Not very autumn-ish quotes, but I think they fit, and I think it came out really pretty. I love the whole thing. I love the background papers, and I love the little images that Nicole made. So check that out on her Ko-fi page, and check out her channel. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.